Best laptop for 2023. I can suggest some considerations to help you choose a laptop. 1. Purpose. Define your primary use for the laptop. Are you looking for a laptop for gaming, business, design, programming, or general use? 2. Performance. Look for a laptop with a powerful processor, such as Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7, sufficient RAM, 8 GB or more, and a decent graphics card, especially for gaming or design tasks. 3. Portability. Consider the laptop's weight, size, and battery life if you need it for travel or outdoor work. 4. Display. Choose a display size and resolution that suits your needs. Higher resolutions like Full HD, 1920 x 1080, or higher might be preferable for better clarity. 5. Storage. Decide between SSD, faster but more expensive, and HDD, slower but cheaper. Storage options. SSDs provide faster boot times and better performance. 6. Connectivity. Check for the availability of ports like USB Type-C, HDMI, Thunderbolt, and SD card slots based on your connectivity requirements. 7. Operating system. Choose between Windows, Mac OS, or Chrome OS, based on your preference and software compatibility needs. 8. Budget. Set a budget that aligns with your requirements and features you need in a laptop. When looking for the best laptop in 2023, consider checking recent reviews, tech publications, and websites for updated recommendations and new releases that suit your criteria. Major brands like Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and Acer often release new models with upgraded features and specifications. Always ensure to review the latest models, compare specifications, read user reviews, and consider the warranty and after-sales support before making a purchase decision.